So to open your Task Manager, the fastest way to open the Task Manager is by focusing directly into the first method, which is going for Ctrl Shift Escape. And there we go. Just like that, it will be popping up the Task Manager. Let's see the second method. So if you right click to the start button like this, what you can do, of course, is to check out the element that says the Task Manager from the list. Just clicked and it was faster than searching for the actual element into the actual menu. The third method is the emergency shortcut. So finally, if your entire screen is frozen and your mouse won't move, for example, we can use the emergency shortcut, which is the Ctrl Alt Delete. And what's going to happen here is that the pulse for a system level blue screen from here just clicked into the element that says Task Manager. This works even with other shortcut fields. And if it doesn't work, you can go for Ctrl Esc, Insert or Supreme. So here you can go for the element that says Task Manager, and we are now inside the element that says the Task Manager. A pro tip that I can give you is that if you use this tool a lot, once it's open, you want to focus into the right click into the icon of the taskbar. So you can key into the element that says Pin to Taskbar. So when you close this, it will still be appearing directly inside here. So the next time you want to enter the Task Manager, just click inside here and boom, we are now inside Task Manager just as fast as it was before. So you're back into control. If this quick fix helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.